Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to teach you on how you can disable copyrighted music and sounds in Fortnite. This will prevent copyright strikes if you're streaming or making videos. So first, open the Fortnite and then click on your avatar in the top right corner and select the gear icon to access the settings. Go to the audio settings and scroll down to the creator options section and find licensed audio. Change this setting to mute all. For extra protection, you can also enable mute others to prevent hearing copyrighted emotes from other players. Finally, click on apply and now you can record Fortnite without worrying about the copyright issues. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.